Hi, in this lecture I will show you how you upload the logo in Shopify. Alright, today we are going to use a really basic logo. I will give you the link in the resources in the next lecture. So I'm gonna click on online store and we run Team Fash and we will wait till it's loaded. Okay, it's loaded. I'm gonna click on the blue customize button and I will wait. And I'll wait and wait. Okay, now I click on header. Right over there. On the top. And you can choose different designs for your header. Design 2, for example. This is looking really good. And this is also looking good. But I really like the first one. So I'm gonna select the first one. And here you can change your logo. So here's the logo Fash. And I've already uploaded my logo. DCEF. Okay. And yeah, you see that it's changing in the website. So and right over here you see the free shipping for standard order over $100. You can edit it right over there. And here stays fash.example.com and you can change that there. So okay, yeah, I'm gonna click save and I'm gonna visit my website. Let's visit it and let's take a look how it looks. You wait. Okay, it's looking pretty awesome in my opinion. A logo and slider images. So in the next lectures we will add menus, and after that lecture we will start using Oberlo and creating products right over there. And yeah, we're gonna drop ship. I'm gonna tell you what it is later. So I will see you soon.